At Eagle Ridge GM in Coquitlam, we have a wide selection of quality new and pre-owned vehicles like this GMC Yukon Denali XL. It comes very well equipped with leather upholstery, navigation, heated and ventilated front seats, rear camera mirror, panoramic sunroof, automatic climate control, power side steps, rear entertainment system, power operated third row seats, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and many more features. The Yukon Denali is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine that can produce 420 horsepower. A 5.3-liter V8 engine is also available, as well as a new 3-liter inline-6 Duramax turbo diesel. This new generation GMC Yukon provides an exceptional ride thanks to the new independent rear suspension and optional air ride system. This not only absorbs potholes with ease, but can also allow for different ride heights. Inside the GMC Yukon, you will find exceptional leather upholstery and wood trim. The second and third rows have more legroom than the previous generation of Yukon models, with this XL variant offering even more cargo capacity behind the seats. Visit Eagle Ridge GM Coquitlam online at eagleridgegm.com for more information on the GMC Yukon Denali, or in person at 2595 Barnett Highway in Coquitlam, BC to test drive this vehicle.